Okay, I have passion vines and chayote. They're all in a pot. The reason I put them in pots is because gophers. So I was afraid the gophers would eat and destroy the entire vines if I plant them in the ground. So this will basically prevent the gophers from attacking it. And we can see there's fruits right now. I don't know when they will be ready, but there's quite a bit of fruits here. And then there's also flowers too. At the same time, there's more and more flowers right here. So there's fruits up there. Okay. And then there's fruits right there too. And I see one chayote right there. Last year I got one chayote as well. This year, Alright, no. It's August the 5th right now. So we'll see. Definitely there's a lot of fruits, passion fruits. They're about pretty big too. Let's see. Let's see. Right there. Right. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I got small hand, but there's chayote. And there's no fruits on this one. Anyway, I'm gonna let it climb up the greenhouse so it's totally green.